This one.
Yes, your box.
Yeah. This one. Here. Because you have your forklift, you can drive here. Right? This one. This.
Ya.
Here.
Ya understand, ya.
Here.
No, es aquí. Él quiere que la pongamos.
Ajá, sí, pero...
Yeah, you have your forklift.
¿Tiene, don Abraham?
Your forklift. Ay. Boss, the boss?
Ya.
Okay. Morning, boss. I was afraid to come here because that's not soft.
That's not soft.
The ground is not soft.
No, the ground is not soft. Just where the truck sends you. I'll show you. Come.
I was thinking about this is how
No,
exactly.
it's not gonna work.
That's better. We're not that heavy. My load is not gonna heavy, right? You think so? With the scale, I'm just gonna passing through some scale. It's not heavy. You guys been doing it for a long time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't want complain? You got it? Guys, good morning. Babalik tayo. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa pipikapan natin ng Dirute Ayukan ako nada. Dirty. Yung aso. Inakyat ako, tignan nyo. Ang dumi ko ng tuloy. Akala niya best friend kami. Ang babait ng mga asong ito. Akala niya best friend kami. Ang laki nila. Oh, ang dumi ko tuloy. Inakyat niya ako. Akala niya mag best friend tayo. Babait ng mga magkakit ng mga aso niya. Ito guys ha. Dumating ako rito kagabi. Alas 12 na. Ayan, nag-aalala lang ako kung hindi rito tinulog ko na lang muna hanggang sa umaga. Ayan, yun. Dirty. No. Kakalagkarin mo na naman ako. It's dirty. Punta na ako doon. Mga aso na yan. Malaki nila. Alright, ayan guys oh. Yun ang gagawin nila oh. Yung yung pinakarampa. Dito lang nila ako luludan. Atras ako rin, nakakatakot naman ito. Baka mamaya hindi ako makaahon ah. Buti na lang kamo hindi masyadong malalim yung ditch na yan. Kung malalim yan tapos ako. Uulan pa, uulan. Ay backing back. Okay. Now. No. Itong mga aso na to naman eh. No. Katil kayo dito, huwag dito. Back. Here? So my truck is go there, go away. Like this?
Yeah.
A trailer over there. So my truck over here and then back there.
Yes.
Okay, so here is removing everything. Okay. So that one go in there. Okay. Okay. How about I just back here and then that one you're just gonna put here. You're just gonna do the forklift, right?
Yeah.
So from here.
Yes, in the back. The backs. Back.
Oh, okay, okay. Pati ako tuloy nahihirapan mag-English kung yung kausap ko. Hirap na ako mag-English, parang nahihirapan pa ako mag-English. Naku, paano kaya discarding gagawin ko rito? Aalisin nila. So, ikot ako diyan. Hanggang doon. Kasi papwesto nila yung kanilang rampa. Teka, maambon guys, punta ako sa truck. Punta tayo doon guys. Tignan ko yung sitwasyon doon. Bakit ganun yung gagawin nila? Hindi na lang dito, diretso. Hey! Here! Put here, that one, put here.
In back. The truck back.
Yeah, back, my truck back here. So, you're putting that like this?
También se puede, porque aquí no va a caber.
So,
¿Cómo está esta cosa?
you want me to back truck over there? Or here? Right? See, you have a forklift.
No.
Yeah, you don't need to, here. Why you need to put over there?
You put here. This one the box.
This one?
Yes. Your box.
Yeah. This one? Here. Because you have your forklift, you can drive here. Right? This one. This.
Yeah.
Here.
Ya understand, ya.
Here.
No, es aquí. Él quiere que la pongamos.
Ah,
allá.
sí, pero...
Yeah, you have your
¿Cómo se
forklift.
tiene, don Abraham?
Your forklift. Ay, boss, the boss?
Yeah.
Okay. Morning, boss. I was afraid to come here because that's not soft.
That's not soft.
The ground is not soft.
No, the ground is not soft. Just where the truck sends you. I'll show you. Come.
I was thinking about this is how
No,
exactly.
it's not gonna work.
Okay.
You have too much garbage in the way.
Yeah. So I'm actually here since last night. It's so dark, so I did not come here yet. I just sleep in the road.
Oh.
Oh, but that's okay.
We were digging here. Working. This is a soft spot.
Okay,
You cannot
this-
back here.
Okay.
But that way is solid.
Solid this one. Okay.
Yeah, if you can back and don't drive in, just back in an
Okay.
angle a little bit onto there, and I'll move the ramp.
Oh, angle. Oh, okay. Just
move
tell
the
me.
ramp.
Okay. When I back, tell me. So I'm
Yeah.
just gonna.
Just back straight up there.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Nakakatakot naman dito. Hindi kasi baka mamaya malaglag. Punta ako dun sa mga malalambot. Patay na ako. Hindi na ako makaahon yan, mga idol. Huh, it's hard to make money. Taktay. Dito kaya? Balahaw tayo rito. Okay. Let's do this. Galingan natin umatras. Okay, so dapat hanap ako. I'm looking for a place to make a U-turn so I can back for my left side because it's a blind spot. I can make a U-turn there so I can back like a...
It's very soft.
Oh,
back
okay.
there.
That's...
Yeah, you can go up to the intersection.
Oh, okay.
That's only half a mile.
Okay, I'll try.
Turn around there.
Okay. This is soft, okay. Alright.
It's very soft.
Okay, we're not going in there. Okay. Naghahanap ako ng iikutan ko guys kasi delikado eh. Baka mamaya eh mahirap umatras sa right side eh. Dapat nasa left side lang. First time ko naman na mag-pick up sa ganitong lugar na naman. Ay, ang hirap kumita ng pera. Alright, dito pwede na ako dito. May find a way. Okay. Padaanin natin to. Mahirap umatras guys ng blind spot. Atrasan ko. Iiwasan ko baka mamaya malalambot yan. There. Ay, thank you Lord. Pasok. Kasya pala to. Huwag lang sa ano kasi delikado. Punasan ko nga muna kasi hindi ko makakita. Okay. Binuksan nila. Iniwasan ko kasi yan kasi malambot. Baka mamaya malaglag tayo dito eh. Ito yung pinakamahirap eh. God! Okay. Punta natin doon. Malabo yung pinapagawa nila eh. May mga mamaya malaglag ako dyan eh. Ang haba ng truck ko eh. Ilapit nila yung ano nila. Ganyan lang talaga. Ganito lang talaga. Ilapit nila dito. You move here? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Yan, i-move niyang ganun. Yun, perfect. That's how. There. That's better. That's better. You want me to straight? That's fine?
That's good.
Oh, that's good? Okay.
That's good. You're gonna need a forklift, mate. A forklift, forklift.
Kinakananan ni boss. Siya yata may ari. Yun, yeah, saktong sakto. So mahirap din pala i-sit up ito. Ganito pala kahirap, sit up. Oh, meron pala siyang ano, taasan. Ganon pala, oh, may landing gear din pala. Parang mas mataas yun sa kabila. There. Alright. Yun. Babae yung forklift eh. Magaling din eh. Oh, mahirap pala to. Pamilya yata, family business yata to. Kakamukha eh. Hey, you want me to move my truck? You're good? Okay. Morning. Okay, so may landing gear may tataas. Are you pushing then or are you want me to back a little? You got it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, sure. Tumataas siya, may landing gear din. Ayos na, itutulak na lang ni boss. Good. Pasok na. That's perfect. Tataasan pa niya yata yung landing gear para umangat dyan. Okay. How many barrels you're putting? 85? I'm not gonna get heavy.
No.
No. You've been doing this before, right? Oh, okay. Just make sure. There's a lot of skill I'm going through in there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we never have problems. We always do that.
Oh, okay.
You have triaxle, right?
Yeah, triaxle. Yeah, we're good.
85
Yeah.
barrels.
Yeah. Alright guys, bayaan muna sila dyan at ako'y magtitimpla ng kape. Guys, kape muna tayo. Sinisimulan na akong linuludan. Okay, so ano na bang status ng pagkarga nila? Oh, that's how they do it. So meron doon tao, yung ganyan pala. Si Macy's. Kaso ko nga lang muna itong face towel natin. Dalawa. Mabigat yan guys. Oh. Parang hindi makakakit ah. Okay. Ganun palang pagkarga nila. Meron silang, ayan lang natin matapos. Guys, tapos na daw nila. Inabot din ng ano, yung 30 minutes lang yung loading nila. Yung arrangement ng kanilang load dyan. Puno sagad. Hindi kaya ito ano, hindi kaya ito overweight. Grabe, 55,000 pounds. Mayroong ano dun sa ano. So 85 daw sabi. Bigat nito, 85 barrel. We're not that heavy, right?
Pardon?
We're not that heavy. My load is not gonna heavy, right? You think so? With the scale, I'm just gonna passing through some scale. It's not heavy.
No, no.
You guys been doing it for a long time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a few years.
No one complain? Okay. Right. There, so.
You can drive ahead a little bit more.
Okay, sure. Okay. Okay guys, ano kayang sabi ni Boss Daryl dito na temperature? Temperature, dry? Wala palang temperature. Tulungan natin yung babae. Family on pala ito. I got it. This one first. Is this family on? Is your on?
No,
You guys.
no, it's not.
Oh, okay. Okay. You got it? The other one. The other side, hold on. I can do it.
That one's on.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. How you doing there, buddy? Good. Okay. Okay. One in there and another one in the side. Perfect. All right. So the paper works.
He's working on it.
Oh, he's bringing it to me.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. He's gonna wait in the truck now. Guys, tara. Nalinibusing yung papel. Tapos larga na. Ayun na. Thank you, sir. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, ayan. Nakuha ko na yung papel. Punong-puno. 55,000 pounds dry. So, no temperature? You don't, you don't want to turn on the reaper, no? Oh, the temperature, I mean. The setting of the temperature, you want me to turn it on, no?
No.
Oh, that's good enough?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, yan. So, walang temperature, sabi niya. Sa bagay, dry din naman. Wala rin naman kasing sinabi ni Boss Daryl dito. Wala, dry. Oh guys, so paano, patuloy ko na video vlog ko hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita nyo. Thank you for watching. Pero diretso na itong load ko na to hanggang Winnipeg na to. Nakita nyo naman yung pinaghirapan ko. Talagang masyadong maano itong lugar na ito. Umiiwas talaga ako sa mga kasi malambot oh. Especially dyan sa lugar na yan. At baka mamaya may ano ko yung takbo dyan delikado. But anyway guys, putulin ko na vlog ko. Sunod natin pagkikita sa bahay na. Thank you for watching. Ingat ka lagi. I love you. Peace out.
Lakai Tracker.